Determine whether the function f of x equal 3x minus 7 is 1 to 1. Well, the definition of a one-to-one function is based on the condition that if f of a equals f of b, then a equals b. In other words, the only time that the outputs of the function are the same is when the inputs of the function were the same as well. So we can't have two different y values that are two y values being the same unless the x values corresponding to those y values were likewise the same. That condition is what we need to confirm is true for this function f in order to show that it is 1 to 1. Of course, if we were to show it's not 1 to 1, then simply finding two y values that came from different x values would be sufficient. But that's not going to be the case here, so let's show this is 1 to 1. The way to do that is to say, suppose that f of a equals f of b for some a and b in the domain of f. I suppose in this case we could have said for some real numbers a and b, since the domain of f is the set of all real numbers. Well, what does that imply? Well, then, by the definition of f, we see that means 3a minus 7 will equal 3b minus 7. And solving, simplifying both sides, and keeping in mind that our goal is to show that a equals b, we can add 7 to both sides, and that gives us 3a equals 3b. And multiplying both sides by 1/3 gives us a equals b. Now, the assumption that f of a equaled f of b led us to the conclusion that a was equal to b itself. Therefore, f is 1 to 1.